Alright, here we go. We got the Monarch cranking. We've got our pizza pan up here heating. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take about 2 cups of blue maseca and about a cup of hot water. Pour that in there and give that a good mix. And we're going to try making corn tortillas today. Now, I've never done this before, but I've got all this masa and I've got this cook stove and I'm sick of buying tortillas, so let's see how this goes. Alright, so we've got our dough nice and pliable, all mixed together with the water. And so next we're going to take a ball of dough. We made it into a ball, about, I don't know, little, maybe a 50-cent piece, maybe not quite. And we're going to put it on a piece of plastic wrap and kind of start it out, squishing it down. And close up the tortilla press and then give that a good solid press down. Open that up and got a magic little tortilla there. Gonna pull that off the plastic and we're gonna throw it on the hot pizza pan, maybe. Uh-oh, I broke it. Anyways, there we go. On the hot pan. And let her cook. Here, we'll do another one here. We'll make another ball.
Ball?
Make sure it's smooth around the edges so it doesn't crack too bad. Set it on there. Cover it with our plastic wrap. Give it a good press. Open it up. Oh, that one came out a lot better. Gently get it off the plastic there. Oh, I broke that one too.
Mama?
Throw it on the griddle. Let them cook there. Let's get one more on there. Then we'll flip them. There we go, one more. Good press. Open it up, maybe we won't break this one. Open it up. Oh yeah, that one came out good. On the grill she goes. Then, take our fancy butter knife and give them a little flip. That one could use a minute. Uh-oh. Somebody got butter on our knife. And get them a good cooking. I think that one's done. Put that up here on our warming oven. Give them a good solid cook. There we go. We've got tortillas.